I pushed Nextdoor in December in a tweet storm that I sent out, and the stock went up almost 38% in a day. And then it gave it all back over the next few days. I still own it, but I deserve it because I did one thing that I'm telling you guys always not to do. I pitched the vision instead of showing you the receipts of what was happening and the turnaround of Nextdoor. Agentic AI infrastructure, but not a single number came from the earnings calls. It was more narrative when I look back on that tweet thread that I sent you. So I went back, I read every earnings call in the whole arc of Nextdoor. This was not just from the Nirav Tolia era, but from the Sarah Frier era before that. And I didn't read just summaries or clips. I read all 18 of the actual transcripts. And here is what the transcripts show. It's more interesting than anything that I wrote in my original tweet storm back in December. Under the old CEO, Sarah Frier, 10 quarters, the users went from 33 million to 43 million. And revenue went up went from 66% growth to negative. Every quarter sounded the same from Frier. She said, this is a quote, laser focused on WOW and revenue. WOW stands for weekly active users. That was a word for word quote. And while the excuse list got longer, macro, ad markets, verticals, geopolitical risks for why they were failing, the results didn't come. Then the founder came back, Nirav Tolia. And the first thing he said is our product is not where it needs to be. He had no spin, no excuses. And he's now delivered 8 consecutive quarters. He's done something that most CEOs won't do. He turned off growth. He cut notifications. He froze ad load. He slowed the user expansion. The spreadsheets normally say push harder. He did the opposite. And since then, ARPU is up 13% without increasing a single ad. He's had 3 consecutive guidance beats now. EBITDA is positive, and they have $405 million in cash sitting on the balance sheet. There's 0 debt. Users went down. Revenue per user went up. So the difference between optimizing a metric that looks good and the one that actually works is real. So there are only 3 analysts, though, that are covering Nextdoor. So this thing is unknown. Nobody is paying attention to it. Now, here's the part that matters most. Nextdoor is not a buy today because of what it could become. And I think that was the biggest mistake that I made in my December tweet storm. One thing matters, weekly active users. Right now, the users are still declining. ARPU is improving. Business is stabilized. They've got cash, but nothing is going to re-rate until WOW goes up. So that's the one signal I'm watching for. Users need to stop going down, then they have to flatten, then they actually have to turn positive. And when that happens, with this balance sheet that they have in place and the discipline that Nirav Tolia has brought back to the company, this is not going to look like a turnaround. It'll trade like a platform company. Finally, hopefully, it will end up trading with a Reddit multiple. But the vision was fine in my original tweet storm, but receipts matter. I had to learn that the hard way. I'll do it better next time. Day 213.